Alright, I'm going to show you guys a quick way to see if you need to replace your tires just by wear. I'm going to be using a tire tread depth checker, and it measures in 30 seconds of an inch. This tire's at about 30 seconds, so it's almost new. Typically you want to start looking at replacing your tires around 30 seconds, or 3 to 5. Or you can go by your wear bars on the tire. I'll show you a wear bar quick. It's going to be these little rubber bars in between the tread. There's one right. Just find one. Should be one right here. So that little rubber bar that you can see, if the tire gets down to there, that's about when you're going to want to start thinking about replacing your tires. You can check for abnormal wear or feathering inside. You might need an alignment. If you find stuff like that, or bulging as well. So most tires will come with 11 to 12, 30 seconds brand new for a passenger car. And your tire size should be on the sidewall. It'll look something like that. This one's 225/50 R19, so